Because it was a short stay, I didn't book a long-term plan, and my usage was not large. I received the installation right after I ordered it, and I could access the internet after just a few changes after getting off the plane. It was very convenient. eSIM can be installed by just scanning the QR code. How convenient! Supports iOS one-click installation, update to the latest version of the iOS app and iOS 17.4 or above to install eSIM with one click in the KKday App. After placing the order, you can receive the eSIM quickly without worrying about shipping issues. Scan the QRcode to enjoy 4G internet access, which is convenient and environmentally friendly without a physical card using local telecom. Docomo Pacific, high network coverage supports iOS and multiple Android phones. Samsung phones need to confirm whether they support eSIM.